Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. McDonald's, commonly known as Macca's in Australia, is one of the largest fast food chains in the country. You can find their menu, including burgers, wraps, desserts, and fries, on your favorite McDonald's branch. McDonald's have been a part of Australian communities for more than 50 years, serving great quality, great value food, and creating feel-good Macca's moments for customers and communities. McDonald's knows responsibility and opportunity to drive positive outcomes from the farm to the front counter and beyond in the areas that matter most to their customers, employees, suppliers, franchisees, and communities.
Ako kaya pita. Parang try ko yung pita. Any of the pita.
$10.
Pwede ba? Hindi.
400 yun. No.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Ito lang in-order ko. Hamburger, $2. Yan na lang.
Mura yun.
Yan na lang. Isa, cheeseburger. Sige. Yan, dalawang ganyan order mo.
Please do watch our other food crawl series.
Dali. Magkano yan? $3.50, di ba? Gawin mong malaki. Kaya natin ang order. Wait lang. Ito. $1.
To locate your nearest McDonald's restaurant, you can use their store locator feature. Additionally, the menu prices are regularly updated. Have you had the chance to visit Sydney, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.